like a reindeer on Red Bull. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's, that's a lot of holiday. Now, we're gonna throw another one at you. Happy Hollow Days. It's inspired by our newest product, Happy Hollow, the perfect gift inside for under the tree, a really big tree, or outside under the trees. Perfect for play and learning and a safe place for toddlers and preschoolers. Happy Hollow has even energized the staff here at AAA State of Play. The Hollow Day spirit is spreading in our work areas. It's all about fun, faith, and a little competition.
I would say there are a handful of people that go a little over the top. I've kept mine milder this year, but I have a box of decorations in the trunk of my car that have yet to come out, so we'll see.
So this is the gingerbread house. And then we have outside the gingerbread house, of course you have to have a snowman. And then we have the fireplace that eventually Santa will be coming out of.
We just felt we needed it for the Christmas spirit, and so we went ahead and made one of our own.
Does it have real heat?
It does not, but the feeling is still there.
Some staffers are going all out.
And then we have to have the Santa who's checking his list, seeing who's been naughty and nice, but here, we're all nice.
Some are simple and small.
It is a traditional Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and it's all about doing your best and being in the Christmas spirit.
How long does it take to decorate?
A solid second.
And some, not at all. Whether you go big, small, or you're going Grinch,
Bah, humbug.
we hope you celebrate the season, the reason, and that you play with the purpose and promise of 2020. Happy holidays to all, and to all, see you on the playground.